Thank you, Larry and George Thau. Ladies and gentlemen, 1956 has been a very good to us, to all of us. We're so very thankful and grateful to all of you good people. Isn't that right, girls? But I would personally consider it a great favor if you would join all the Champagne music makers in giving a big hand to all the wonderful people behind the cameras. There are 67 of them, and they're the greatest crew I have ever worked with in my lifetime. What a pleasure it is to do a show with those people around here. It's encore time, as you can see now, by the lovely little Lennon girls, and the song, Tonight You Belong to Me.
I know you belong to somebody new, but tonight you belong to me. Although we're apart, you're part of my heart, and tonight you belong to me. Way down by the stream, how sweet it will seem once more just to dream.